The promises God put in your heart, what He's whispered to you in the night, may not seem possible. It's too big. It's never happened for your family. You don't have the experience. All your logic says there's no way. Are you going to let your human reasoning, what you can see, what's natural, set the limits for your life? Or are you going to see beyond the logical? Are you going to believe that the all-powerful creator of the universe, the God who flung stars into space, the God who parts Red Seas, the God who brings light without the sun, will make a way when you don't see a way?